In this tutorial, I'll guide you through 2 methods to remove breaths from your audio in Adobe Audition. This is useful for cleaning up voice recordings and making them sound more professional. First, I'll show you the manual method. Start by playing your audio and listen for a breath you want to remove. Once you find it, highlight the breath in the waveform by clicking and dragging. Then, go to the top menu and select Effects. From there, choose Auto Heal. This should remove the breath from your recording. If the breath isn't completely removed, you can apply the Auto Heal effect again or lower the volume of the breath manually by using the volume control in the waveform. This method works well for small projects, but it can be time-consuming if you're working on a long recording. To speed things up, you can create a shortcut for this process. Just go to Edit, then select Keyboard Shortcuts. Find the Auto Heal command and assign it to a key you can press whenever you want to remove a breath. Now, if you're editing a longer audio track and want a faster method, there's another way. First, go to Effects, scroll down to Amplitude and Compression and select Dynamics. Inside the Dynamics settings, look for the Auto Gate option. Turn off all other settings so only Auto Gate is active. The key here is to adjust the threshold based on the volume of your breaths. Play back the track and find the loudest breath. Then set the threshold a little higher than that volume level. This ensures the breaths get removed without affecting the rest of your audio. Once you've set the threshold, press Apply, and Adobe Audition will automatically remove the breaths throughout the entire track. And that's how you remove breaths in Adobe Audition using both manual and automated methods.